Hello everyone. Now let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I'm going to draw another scenery. So I'm drawing a beautiful house. I have drawn doors and windows and the chimney, and the fume is coming out of this chimney. And now let's draw the trees and the fences like this. And now let's draw beautiful flowers and these cute chicks. Let's draw them. Now let's proceed with this drawing. So let's see what I'm going to draw this time. So here I'm drawing this beautiful fish. Wow. Now let's see what interesting I'm going to draw this time. Here I'm drawing this house, drawing the windows and the doors. Now another house. Now I'm going to draw the weeds like this and the pavement, clouds like this, and this is looking so beautiful. Now let's draw something else. So here I'm going to draw a turtle. So let's draw its shell and now color it. See how beautiful they all are looking.